All right. Sorry about that delay. It looked like YouTube was hiccuping a little bit. Hopefully it didn't on your end, but it looked like on my end it was. So I just wanted to stop since we were at the end of the second pack, make sure everybody saw what was going on. So our rated rookie in pack number 2 is Amari Rogers for the Packers. That was nuts. I don't know why. I assume it's just traffic that's bogging the system down, but I don't think it is on my end. On to pack number 3. Sam Ehlinger for the Colts is our rated rookie in pack number 3. Pack number 4. Looks like we've got our optic preview in pack number 4 for this blaster. And it is Zaven Collins for the Cardinals. Looks like there's a little, is that on the sleeve or the card? Unfortunately, it looks like there's a little indentation there. You can see it right there on the left on the card. I was hoping it was just the sleeve. And then we have a Peyton Turner rated rookie for the Saints. Next pack. Then our rated rookie is Marquez Stevenson for the Bills. And then we have Travis Etienne Jr. rated rookie for the Jaguars. Next pack. I think we have a memorabilia card. So this would be our rookie holiday sweater card. And it is of, how about that, Justin Fields for the Bears. Rookie holiday sweater. For the Bears. And then our rated rookie out of this pack is Racey McMath for the Titans. I feel like I pull him out of every single box I open. Next pack. And our rated rookie is Tylan Wallace for the Raiders. And we have a Rondale Moore Elite Series Rookies insert for the Cardinals. And then a Micah Parsons rated rookie for the Cowboys. Next to last pack in Blaster 1. And we have a Jalen Darden rated rookie for the Buccaneers. Last pack, Blaster number 1. And we have a John Lynch inducted insert for the Broncos. And a Odef Owen rated rookie for the Ravens. First pack of Blaster number 2. And this has our rookie sweater card in it. And it is of Travis Etienne Jr. for the Jaguars. And our rated rookie in pack number 1 is Dwayne Eskridge for the Seahawks. Pack number 2. Well, they flipped every single card in this. And then we have a Elijah Vera Tucker rated rookie for the Jets. Next pack. Oh, little Action All Pros insert of Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. And then we have a Jacob Harris rated rookie for the Rams. Next pack. We have a Tyson Campbell rated rookie for the Jaguars. And then we have a Road to the Super Bowl insert of Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Followed up by a Landon Dickerson rated rookie for the Eagles. And a Jalen Waddle rated rookie for the Dolphins. And we have an Elijah Moore rookie Gridiron Kings insert for the Jets. And a Daz Newsome rated rookie for the Bears. And a Josh Palmer rated rookie for the Chargers. And we've got our optic preview in this pack. And it is Nick Bolton for the Chiefs. And our rated rookie in this pack is Hunter Long for the Dolphins. Next to last pack. Nice rated rookie there on the back. Najee Harris for the Steelers. And our last rated rookie is Jabril Cox for the Cowboys. All right. Well, that concludes our 2021 Donruss Football Random Team Tube Holiday Blaster Box Break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes with our 2021 Topps Chrome Baseball Random Player 1 Megabox Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody. Alrighty, here's our Chrome Mega Box. Looks like we've got about 10 minutes before